So I recently noticed that Qwen has removed the access to free APIs and also the per day query limit, and now they are only giving option to their subscription plan and API service. Now yesterday another change I noticed, which was the ability to connect to external providers other than Qwen's own provider API, right? So let me open Qwencode and show you how the new change is applied. So my goal is to connect OpenRouter's API with the Qwencode so that we would be able to use any new model that comes in OpenRouter, right? Now one more issue with that is, if any model changes, we have to make the change to Qwen as well, because it's not dynamically allowing you to change the model. So let me go and check Qwen. So here you can see I connected to one of the service where they offer GPT 5.3 codecs. So I want to change this model, right? And here I would hit, and you will notice that the earlier authentication to Qwenauth is now discontinued. You have to switch to coding plan or API key. Now second is this particular API, and which I'm supposed to change as well. Here you can see this particular model I have to change now, right? So I will hit this particular model, switch to other model, right? So what we can do is we basically type in auth. Let me type in auth, and then it will open these three choices, right? So Model Studio is from Alibaba, and you are supposed to buy the coding plan from that or the API tokens. So if you have discarded this option, you have another option is to go with third-party providers, where you can see other companies are there. Here you have OpenRouter option, so you can simply enter this, and here you have to add the key, right? So we will do that. Now after you add the key, you are given option to use ZAI's GLM 5.4.5 Air free and GPT OSS. So you can choose between them as these two models. You can hit enter. Right. So after adding this particular API key and also selecting one of the models, you will see it is listed here. You can always change the model by simply typing in /model. Here you can see /model. Here you pick between all these models, right? Discontinued first and fourth, so second and third is my option. I can also additionally add other models as well within the list by modifying the provider in the /auth. So that's one thing. I can use escape to escape from here, and I can ask where should I check the token spending and usage for current model, right? So hopefully it doesn't reply with anything specific to Qwen, because we are using external API, so we can figure that out ourselves. So I can just look into activity of OpenRouter, and you will notice that I made two queries with the GLM Air, and they are listed like this here. So we managed to connect OpenRouter to Qwen and even made one query. So what next we can do is we can learn how to switch between the models, right? So let me show you the auth part again, and third-party providers, go to open. Now at the part where we are supposed to enter a new model, I can basically go to the list of models, and here we will select the pricing low to high and select text. Right now you can figure out which are some of the models that are staying for free for longer and based on that you can select. For example, Metalama is one such model that is remaining for free for longer time. Then there is also Gemma, right? This model with 29.23.9 b parameters can be used. So I can basically copy this as well. This is Google, and we have to copy the whole company / part. So we'll copy this, right? And here we have to go till the ending part, use comma, and then right click your mouse. That will also copy the same. So we have like 3 models here that we can check. Hit enter, and now you are here. Now you have to switch between the model. Basically just type in /model here. Let's say if I want to pick the Gemma, right, I can do that. Simply hit enter, and now you are switching to Google Gemma, right? So we managed to use Qwencode with OpenRouter API, and it's still able to access those free models as well.